Hey guys, just hopping on here quick to show you what I was talking about with the VIX and ES divergence. So we can see here on the right, we have the VIX making new lows. It's not drastic, but they are making new lows. And usually when you see the VIX making new lows, you want to see ES making new highs. But you can see here that we obviously don't have, we have lower highs and lower lows. Right, so an example of when it makes higher highs, we'll go back to there. So we want to see this guy drop lower and this guy get higher. So you see here, that's a low. So we have this low right here, which is this high right here. And then as it takes out that low, right, we start seeing new highs. But currently, we have taken out that low and we are not seeing new highs. So to me, what that reads is, it's that possible area that we were talking about this morning where we can start to see some rejections up in here. I know that's a rather big zone, but we have a lot of different confluence. We have our daily 20 SMA up here. We have this area with the large passive seller. We have a major resistance from these highs, these lows, 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 and all the way back to these highs here. So, we really want to make sure if we want to see a continued move to the upside, we really need to take out this area right here above these highs and start holding and making moves to the upside. Beautiful arrow, by the way.